Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a package from Revive Superfoods. They had sent me over some of their smoothies. Okay, so before we jump into it, please hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. So let's get right into it. Are you guys seeing this? They sent me 9 smoothies to try and I'm just gonna literally take it out and lay it all out here. Okay, so the first one we have is Matcha Maker, Blue Cacao, Liquid Gold, Morning Mocha, Pink Dragon, Hint of Mint, Grass is Greener, Strawberry Zen, and Acai Twist. So all of their smoothies include superfoods. If you guys don't know what superfoods are, just take a look at this definition here. This is jam-packed with all that good stuff that your body needs. I'm actually really excited. They deliver straight to your home, so you guys can go onto their Instagram or their website, and I will leave the link down below. You can pick whichever ones you want and they will deliver straight to you. It comes with dry ice inside of the bag, so it keeps your food frozen and fresh. So as soon as you guys get it, either leave it outside if you guys are in Canada and dealing with the cold weather, or throw them into the freezer. These are all packed with premium farm frozen ingredients, so it's all fresh and really good for the family. So now I'm going to pick one and show you guys step by step how to make it, and then we're gonna try it out and I'll let you guys know what I think. Ooh, quickly look at the top, guys. I just opened it and look at all those blueberries. It smells so good. Okay, so next I pour in the liquids, fill it to the rim, and I'm choosing milk. I'm just a milk head, so to the top. Ooh, okay, so in case anybody's wondering, this has blueberries, kale, banana, avocado, cashews, cacao, maca, Himalayan salt, vanilla, and medjool dates. Not sure what those are, but I'm excited to try it. Okay, time for the moment of truth. Gluten-free, no added sugar, dairy-free, and plant-based. Wow, I really like it. Like it says, there's no added sugar, so everything that you're tasting, the sugars are from whatever ingredients are in here naturally. If you guys want, I think you guys could add a little bit of honey or some sugar if you're into that, but this is awesome. If you guys want to know what I think about the other ones, follow me on Instagram, the link is down below. And yeah, I'll be posting as I try them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.